guys, I made it to Hanoi, and there's the lake right over there.
Daisy's being a bad vlogger.
And I'm trying to find the coffee shop. The first coffee shop I tried egg coffee at, which I'm pretty sure it is like down this street somewhere, but I'm going off pure memory, and I've only been in this city like once before, so good luck to me.
I am my mother's daughter. Tash said,
who's that? Like, boss man, boss me 10 hubba bubba right now, I beg you still.
Oh, can we try your hubba bubba?
Stop it. So guys, I'm having an egg coffee, and so far it's the worst one I've had in Vietnam yet, and definitely overpriced because we're at the train street. We're gonna watch the train come through, and I'm literally sat. Like, am I gonna have to move or what? Anyway, aesthetically this looks yummy, but the guys are being really aggressive. They're like, leave, the train's come and gone, leave. And I'm like, I'm still drinking my drink. We are on the bus to Hajang, or Hajang. And this time I get top bunk. You're too long? She's tall. See, Daisy and I are shorties. Shorties, yeah. The mood has been set. Daisy, get some red light therapy in. Yeah. Have your legs squeezed in yet?
They're in there. They're not coming out.
Daisy, how are you feeling? Comfy, cozy?
Yeah, I'm not too bad actually. There's a very lack of room, but
lack of room?
I can just about stretch out.
I'm sad because I'm just